Hey there! Ever wondered how waste management companies keep our cities clean and green? Today, I'm talking about an amazing tool that's revolutionizing the waste management industry. Creative Software Consultancy Services, CSCS, waste management system, built on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Imagine this. You're running a solid waste management company. Vehicles everywhere, routes to manage, compliance to track, and on top of all that, you need to make a profit. Sounds overwhelming, right? Well, that's where CSCS steps in, turning chaos into control. Let's dive into what makes this ERP solution a game changer. First off, it's designed specifically for the solid waste management industry. That means it handles everything from vehicle details, orders management, drivers management, micro-level route planning, vehicle maintenance management, dumping and delivery management, renewal reminders for certificate, permit, PUC, insurance, etc., stores management, transshipments, fixed asset management, HR and payroll management, dispatch details, bills of different formats, daily loading and unloading details, route-wise planning and vehicle management, fleet management, vehicle out and in-log management, daily fuel issue management, supply chain management to financial tracking and sustainability management. And the best part? It's super user-friendly. With CSCS, you get real-time reporting and multi-dimensional analysis, giving you a complete overview of your operations at a glance. Imagine having all your vehicle details, order management, and driver management in one place. No more endless spreadsheets or scattered data, just clear, actionable insights. Need to manage routes? No problem. The system offers micro-level route planning, ensuring your vehicles are always on the most efficient path. Plus, you can track fuel consumption, vehicle maintenance schedules, and even get reminders for permits and insurance renewals. It's like having a personal assistant for your fleet. But wait, there's more! CSCS also integrates seamlessly with your existing systems. Whether it's accounting software or weighbridges, it all works in harmony, reducing duplication and saving you time. And let's not forget about sustainability. CSCS helps you monitor and manage your environmental impact. Track greenhouse gas emissions, reduce fuel consumption, and make informed decisions to minimize your carbon footprint. It's a win-win for your business and the planet. So why choose Creative Software Consultancy Services? Simple. It's affordable, built on a trusted Microsoft Dynamics platform, and tailored to meet the unique challenges of the solid waste management industry. Plus, with features like real-time graphical reports and a comprehensive multi-dimensional view of your operations, you're equipped to make smarter, faster decisions. If you're looking to streamline your operations, improve profitability, and achieve your sustainability goals, CSCS Solid Waste Management System is your go-to solution. Ready to transform your solid waste management operations? Visit www.cscsindia.com to learn more and call us at 977-1417021. Get started today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insights on game-changing tech solutions. See you next time.